Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the dual pistols in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with the length of the gun first. So we're just gonna draw one long line. Okay, and then once you have that, now I'm gonna draw in, just add a little bit of thickness there. And for this part, I'm gonna slant up and then just kind of go across. So we're really just drawing a rectangle, but it's got a little slant on the end here. Alright, and then once you have that, we're gonna draw in, this part's a little bit tricky because of the little shape here, but we're gonna curve down and then we're just gonna go right across. So we're gonna have to erase a little bit of line later. Okay, so come across and just close that off again. And then we're gonna draw in, so we're gonna take the middle here, the midpoint around here. And then we're gonna draw in the little trigger, the little housing. So I'm gonna draw in two lines like this. And this one's gonna go straight back. Probably like halfway point of from here to here. Okay, and then we're gonna give that line some thickness here. We're just gonna come down. And then from here, we gotta draw this curve. So this is the tricky part. So right here, I'm just gonna curve it up past that line and just connect to that one. And then on this part here, I'm gonna go slant to this line. So the only thing is you gotta erase out that line. Alright, so that's the trickiest part. And then since we're here, we might as well just draw in the little trigger here. And then it's got two holes in here. Alright, so let's finish up the grip then. So right here on the back, just gonna kind of come down right around here with a slight slant. And then we're gonna slant out. And then come back in slightly and then just go straight across. And it's probably easier to work on this side first. So from here, I'm gonna slant down. And then I'm just gonna give two little bumps. Come straight down and just close that off. Okay, and then the bottom here for the magazine, just one little square. Okay, and then let's move back up to the top, and we're actually, yeah, this gun is it's a little simple. It's the only tricky part. Alright, so from here, there's gonna be some details on the bottom here. So I'm just gonna draw in a little slant, and then just close that off. And then in between here, we're gonna draw three more. So I'm gonna start in the middle, just find the midpoint of this. Draw one little rectangle, and then in between here, and I'm gonna draw another one. And then one more in between here. So just kind of dividing up the spaces. Alright, so let's move on up and let's finish up the little top area here. So for this area right here, we're gonna keep going up, and then we're gonna come across. Okay, so right around here, now I'm gonna slant down. Okay, so I'm gonna come across here. You can draw a little line like this, and then I'm gonna draw the same slant down as that. And then on the back here, I'm gonna slant up, same as this, and then I'm gonna go up as high as this point here. And then I'm gonna turn it down, just kind of curve it down. And then I'm gonna go straight across, so it should be under these tops here. Okay, and then the back right here, this one's easy. We're just gonna come down, come back, curve down and just, and then add a little bit of detail here. So I'm just gonna give that line a little border. Alright, and then the sight on the front, this one's easy. Just kind of come up, go across, and then I'll just slant it down. And then for the very tip, I'm just gonna draw one rectangle right here. Okay, so now all we have to do is just kind of finish up the detail. So there's gonna be a bunch of lines here. So I'm just gonna draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's gonna be 4 bars. And then on the back here, I'm just gonna draw in a bunch of lines because it's just a bunch of little indentations. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's probably enough. Okay. And then for the little smaller details here, there's gonna be a circle in here, detail here, and then even here there's a little bit of line work. So I'm just gonna draw in a little slant and then just come across. This will just make the gun a little bit more complicated. And then lastly, just one more here. And that is it for these dual pistols in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.